we need to talk about the elephant in the room. Not here, but I don't have an elephant, but we do have this. We do have this monthly level.
Coffee with George.
Before you continue, please pause the video and read this trade disclaimer. None of the information contained here is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes.
And the price hit this monthly. No real reaction for the moment. So actually the price is above 45,509. And we do have a yearly level 46,195 just above. Then we do have the daily and the rest of the confluences that I talked about last stream. Last Tuesday we had a stream where I basically covered the high time frame levels to the upside and to the downside. And just in case you missed that stream, we do have point of control of this high time frame range comes around 47,250, give or take, right? So that would be the first, and for me it is the most important level of resistance in this section of the chart, so between 45 and 50k area. Also, we talk about this high volume node. In my last stream we talked about this, the high volume node, the gaps in between, and how this level could potentially influence your trading, right? So if you've missed that, please make sure that you check the last stream, the link in description, because I don't want to kind of repeat the same information over and over again. So we do have this, the point of control of this entire range. So basically the entire price action starting in December 2022. So obviously this is a high time frame range, and if you have a point of control in this area, that should be a level to take into consideration. Other than that, what do we have? We do have the golden pocket from the 70k area to the 50k area, and as you can see, the golden pocket is between 48 and 50k area. Also the 0.71, but let's focus on this one for the moment, right? So we do have a high time frame point of control on the golden pocket, and then the horizontal comes into play. So we do have monthly, yearly, daily, weekly. That's why I say this entire area is an area of resistance. What would be the level that would give the possible top for this move, at least for the moment, right? Hard to say. The way I like to do it is to trade it level to level, from the monthly to the yearly to the point of control to the golden pocket to the weekly, possibly above. If one level is hit and then I start to see change in market structure, starting with low time frame, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, with continuation on higher time frame, and I start to see some levels lost, then maybe that is the top, and I'm willing to work with that idea. But as long as, yes, I do have a level, but as long as the market structure is still bullish, the price is still pushing, and there's no real reaction, keep the shorts as scalps and keep the longs running as much as possible, right? To summarize this, so the first sign of weakness should be if the price gets acceptance below this monthly, lose VWAP, right? You can't see very well on the daily, but lose VWAP, change the market structure, trap the traders here, and then we are in business for more downside. Other than that, and until I see that happening on the chart, I would favor more upside. And the next important level, we do have an untapped yearly level, 46,195. That is a yearly level, and we do have a new yearly level. I will show you that in just a second, right? But yearly level, daily, and after that the point of control of the entire range, followed by the golden pocket to the upside. Those are the levels, right? And because we started a new year, right, we do have a couple of levels, right? First of all, the yearly level that I showed you, right, and this should be this one, 46,196. Price is very, very close. If the price will manage to hit this level, then I'm looking for a reaction there. If I see the correct reaction, then I'm more than happy to trade it. Level to level, I'll get back to it in just a second. But most important, we do have another yearly level here at the bottom of this move. So I really like this kind of candles, this one, and the new yearly level is 16,529. Obviously we do have another yearly level, but the 3k area is I don't think is important for the moment, but this and this is still important. Based only on these levels, if the price manages to reject from this area, from this 45 to 50k area, and change in market structure and level lost and weakness and so on, this is a very, very interesting level on this chart. The yearly from 16,529. for the moment, there's no reason to believe that the price will actually move to this area, but it's good to take it into considerations. Monthly levels, this one, we do have a monthly level here. This is an untapped monthly level 25k area. Remember, very good support, very good support. Other than that, 30k, I don't have a level here. We do have kind of a gap. That's why I'm keeping this one on the chart. 30,460 monthly. Tap now, 45,509, right? So other than that, we do have another monthly level around 60k area, 61,421. So, if the price would actually manage to claim this weekly, then we do have the next target to the upside. So that's great for me, right? The more upside, that's great. Also, I'm prepared for more downside. But look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles in a row. That's very interesting for me. And it's, you need some real weakness to actually to flip a trend like this. We still have this weekly, so it was tapped here, so that is very nice. Other than that, untapped weekly level 27, but it doesn't make any kind of sense to talk about the 25k area right now when the price is here. Let's move to the daily level. Okay, so in terms of daily levels, not too much. This one is tapped. This one, it's a tapped daily level, but I'm still keeping it on my chart because it's 50k area plus the liquidity. And other than that, we do have these kind of levels, but again, and the daily to the upside 46,583. One thing, if the price manages to get acceptance back into the lower range, that could be seen also as a sign of weakness. And if that's the case, so the price needs to lose the monthly, get acceptance back into the range, so get acceptance below the high from this range, 44,769, and then get acceptance back into the value area of this range, so below the value area high, which is 44,117. That sign of weakness, and at that point in time, the chances for this to be the top, at least for the moment, are increasing. And definitely I would look towards, obviously we do have levels in between, but I would look towards the 40k area. We do have liquidity here, so there are a lot of things going on. I've been talking about this since forever, since the price was at 25k, and starting with this monthly, right, and going to this weekly, let's say, so 45 to 50k area, this is an area of resistance, layers of resistance after resistance after resistance. So obviously we need to take it very seriously. We need to take it into consideration. Doesn't necessarily mean you need to short. Exactly what Wei was posting in the chat. If you're shorting this move, you're counter trading the trend. So to keep a short running for something more than just a scalp, you need confirmation. And as always, and I think I say this at least once a day in the group, confirmation comes from changing market structure and claiming or losing some levels. That is the general rule, and that works on any chart. Could be crypto, could be commodities, could be stocks, could be forex. It's all the same until you see the change in market structure and some levels lost. One would favor the current trend, and the current trend is obviously to the upside, right?
Elevate your mastery in trading. Join the Safehouse Vanguard today.